So, well student, now we are in the electrical and electronic shop. As you know, electricity is a very essential commodity in our houses. Nothing like a refrigerator, microwave oven or TV or fan or lamp will work without electricity. So here on this board, we have placed all the electrical accessories which are used in our houses or in our rooms. And now we will now brief explanation for the accessory used. Here is an energy meter which shows the consumption in our house. Okay, it gives the reading in kilowatt hours or units we use in colloquial language. Here we have KitKat fuse. It's an old type of fuse. There is a fusible wire inside, so it can get fused if the circuit gets short circuited. And here we call it a DP switch as well as MCB. It can work both as MCB as well as DP switch. Here we have a lamp holder or button holder. This is a fluorescent type of lamp. This here we have used connector. This is a one-way switch. Likewise, here is LED lamp, and we are supposed to fit here one fluorescent lamp later on. So this will also be connected. And here we have a junction box for ceiling fan. It shows for a ceiling, we can't put ceiling fan over here, but it's a junction box for the ceiling fan. Here is a 3-pin socket. It's a 3-pin socket, will be given supply, it will be active. So this circuit we have made a staircase wiring. So with two-way switches we will connect this lamp. So with one switch and with the other switch we can either make it on or off. So now for the circuit diagram.
House wiring circuit diagram.
Right. Now these are the tools which we will use in making this circuit. These are screwdrivers, this combination plier, and this is a long nose plier. This is wire stripper, neon tester, and screwdriver for smaller screws. And this is insulation tag, and this we use as a test lamp. So now you can see this accessory from the behind, how the wires have been connected. If this is button hold fixed on the board, we cannot see what is behind this button holder. So that we can see here. So you can see there are two terminals here, and we can put two wires here like this. And here we have a one-way switch. So it works as on-off. So it can cut the circuit. We put one wire here and the other wire is here. It's connected here. So either we can make the circuit or we can break the circuit. This we call is a two-way switch. It is differentiated by the 2 points. You can see here, there are 2 points which are not there in the one-way switch. So here you will see 3 terminals, 3 points behind this. The center one is given the supply. So this supply can be given to either of these two terminals, either here or here. We are beginning to connect all these accessories and make the circuit working. Here is our supply. This red wire indicates live wire and the blue wire indicates the neutral wire. This wire, through the contactor, it goes to the energy meter. And from the energy meter, this supply is coming to the this DP switch through the KitKat fuse. From this switch, this supply will go to the various accessories. Now we'll make the connection. दूसरी तार का दो.
Now he is ensuring that the connections are tight enough. The wire should be tightly held in between the connectors. And here, these are the KitKat fuses. He is ensuring that the connections are tight. It should be properly tight connections for the alternating current to flow. These are the normal fuses. Now he will put the fuses in place. Now here is the DP switch, come MCB. Now this is live wire.
Now we'll make connection after the DP switch now. So first we will connect this lamp.
Giving connection to this lamp.
Connecting the live wire
through this connector.
Through the connector. Through the switch. It goes to the lamp. And the other wire is neutral. And it will be connected to the neutral wire. So the first lamp has been connected to the circuit. Now similarly the second lamp will give the live wire supply 220 volts. Now the supply goes to the lamp. This neutral wire, it will be connected to the neutral. So circuit is complete for the second lamp also. Now we have completed circuit for these two lamps. Now we can show you that these lamps are working. See the first lamp, it's working. Similarly, the second one, its too is working. So these two lamps have been connected to the circuit. So we have connected these two lamps. You can see now the first lamp is working. Similarly, the other lamp is also working. So now we'll put in circuit the other accessory also and then show you. Badi tar magao connection for the junction box. So we can we can connect any accessory here. It can be ceiling fan or anything else.
This is the neutral wire he is connecting. Now he will connect the live wire at this connector.
Yes. Now the supply is being provided through the live wire. Right. Now here we have 3-pin socket. Now we are giving supply. The live wire is being connected to the 3-pin socket. Now the neutral wire.
Staircase wiring.
So now we are connecting for the staircase wiring. Then the neutral wire is being connected. Now the live wire for supply. Now the circuit has been completed and we'll show you one by one. See this MCB is on now. The first lamp, it's working. The second one, it's working too. And here is the junction box for the ceiling box. This is the 3-pin socket. We'll show you now. See, the 3-pin socket is also working slide, you can see. And here is the staircase circuit. See from here, it's working. You can make it off from here and start from here and make it off from here. So now we can see the complete circuit is working now. So this is all about the house wiring circuit.